Hey everybody, Jim King, King Piers out here in Centerview, Missouri. This is going to be one of the biggest projects we've taken on. This home right here, it's an old historic home, farmhouse. Got a 4-foot block crawl space. We're going to go in there and we're going to start digging down inside the crawl space from the middle, work our way to both ends, the east and the west. And we're going to eventually, when we're done, we will have the house stabilized. House will have 9-foot tall foundation block walls, concrete filled with rebar in every hole. A new 3-foot by 1-foot thick footing, drain tile, everything. Be a full-size basement when we're done. Just showed up here this morning. This is day one. The floors on the inside are very stable and level. Couldn't hardly believe it. So stay with me. This is going to be a 6-week long project, maybe longer. King Piers, Centerview, Missouri. Centerview is like not too far from Orangeburg. Beautiful home. It's going to be anyway. It was at one time. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.